Core edging is strong, durable, and easy to install. With reinforced ground spikes, a contemporary design, and a choice of colours and sizes, it's a stylish, sustainable way to edge paths, lawns, and borders. To fit it, you'll need gloves, a spade or lawn edger, a hammer, a block of wood to protect the edging, a string line with pegs for straight runs, and a pair of pliers for connecting the sections. Start by clearing away any weeds, stones, or loose soil so you've got a clean base to work with. Plan your layout, whether you want sweeping curves or crisp straight lines, so the edging follows the shape you've chosen. First, cut into the lawn edge with a spade or lawn edger to mark out the boundary. Next, dig out any grass or soil left in the border so the trench is clean and even. Now, shape the trench so it has a straight, vertical edge. Set the depth to the height you want your edging to stand above the grass. Connect the edging pieces by pulling the prongs together with a pair of long-nose pliers until they lock securely. You can fit core edging in two ways. For smaller areas, pre-connect a run of edging on the grass, lift it into position, and tap it down with a hammer and block of wood to protect the edge. For larger areas, start by driving one section into place, then ease it back slightly to lock in the next piece. Once connected, tap them both down with the hammer and block. Repeat the process until the full length is installed. The edging is pliable and can be shaped by hand into smooth, flowing curves that follow the line of your border. For sharper bends or right angles, we recommend scoring with an angle grinder. Or for softer bends, use a plank or another edging piece as a guide and work it gradually for a neat, accurate finish. Check that all sections are aligned and secure. Trim any excess for a perfect fit. Backfill with soil, covering the spikes to hold the edging firmly. Compact the soil firmly against the edging, then give it a light watering to help everything settle tightly around the spikes. Finish with gravel, mulch, or planting for a clean, professional edge. Core edging isn't just for lawns. It's versatile enough for borders, features, paths, and even separating different gravel or mulch areas, making it useful across all kinds of garden projects. And that's it. Durable, flexible, and built to last. Core edging can be reshaped or reused, making it a great long-term investment. At Stone Warehouse, it's available in 65mm and 100mm, in green, galvanized, Corten, brown, black, and anthracite, plus 150mm in Corten for a bold architectural finish. Visit our website to see the full range